everyone, I'm Teacher Ariel, and for today's episode, we will be making some of our ocean buddies. Win the whale, Philo the fish, and Merida the mermaid. We'll be needing lots and lots of origami papers with different colors, but art papers, colored papers, or construction papers are also okay because I'm also going to show you how to make square papers with these. We'll also be needing scissors or cutter, but kids, remember to always be careful around sharp objects and ask help from a grown-up when using these, okay? We also need pencil, tape, glue, a ruler, markers, and googly eyes, but this one's optional. If you have all of these materials ready, then you're all set and we can make our ocean buddies. But if you don't have an origami paper, that's okay. There are two ways we can make square sizes from colored papers or art papers. One way to do it is to just fold it diagonally this way. Then we will cut this part right here. We cut, and kids, remember to always be careful when using scissors, okay? Then unfold, and yay, we have a big square size paper. So another way to do it is to just pick a size you want for the square papers by using a ruler. For example, I would like a 5-inch square paper. So I would take my pencil and draw all 5-inch sides. Then I would just cut the square out. Now that we have our square papers, we are now ready to make our ocean buddies. First is win the whale. For win the whale, I'll be using the big square size paper that we made earlier, and you have to make a diagonal central line. Then you take one edge and bring it to the central line. You do the same with the other side. I'll be using my ruler to make sharp creases to make sure that my paper's really folded. Now you have a kite shape paper. Now for the body shape, you get the top pointy part, then you fold it towards the central line. Now you fold the paper in half. You can use your ruler to really make sure that the paper's folded. You can also fold it in the opposite direction so that you make sharp creases. For the tail, you take the long thin tip at the end and you fold it up at a right angle. Give it a sharp crease by using a ruler just to make sure that you fold it sharp and nice. Open up the origami like this. And fold the tail like this. Make sure that the body is able to stand properly like this. Finally, we can make a small cut at the top of the tail. And we'll fold it down like this. We can draw on Win's face or put some googly eyes, whatever you feel like doing. You can be creative. And ta-da! Here's Win the Whale. Here are some of Teacher Ariel's other version of Win the Whale. I have a purple one with googly eyes. I have a small one. Next, we have Philo the fish. Get a square piece of paper, any color that you want. Then we'll start by folding the square piece of paper diagonally. Unfold the paper, then fold it diagonally again, but on the other side. Unfold the paper and you'll have this crisscross lines. Now we're gonna fold it in half like this. Then unfold it again. Now we're gonna make a triangle shape by folding the sides like this. Hold the bottom corner of the triangle, then fold it toward the center. Do the same to the other side of the corner. And that's how we got fishtail. You can decorate with googly eyes or draw however you want Philo to look like. I want Philo to have googly eyes, so I'm gluing one. Then after that, I'll be drawing Philo's mouth. Yay! Now we're all done with Philo. Here are my other Philo versions. I draw one with eyelashes, I draw one with an open mouth and teeth. For our final ocean buddy, we'll be making Merida the Mermaid. We'll be needing 4 equal sizes of paper. First, we'll be making Merida's face. Grab a skin-colored paper. Then fold the paper half in one way, then unfold, then fold it again in half the other way, unfold. Now we fold it in half diagonally, unfold, and you'll see these crease marks. Now we'll be making a diamond shape by folding the sides inside like this. We're gonna fold the sides, the top flap of the sides like this. Then you fold it on the other side like this. Then the bottom flap, you fold it like this. Then you do the same to the other side. Now we have ears. Fold the pointy bottom to the back and you'll have a chin. Now for Merida's body, grab another skin-colored piece of paper, then you fold it in half one way like this, then unfold, and fold it again in half the other way, unfold, then you fold one side so that it meets on one of your middle crease, unfold the whole paper, then fold the right side and the left side of the paper towards the middle. Now for the arms, we're gonna create an opening. So you have to fold it along here. This will create a flap. This flap, then you push the flap down. Now we have arms. Now to slim the body, we will fold one side like this, and we're gonna fold the other side also. Now we're gonna fold the arms outward like this. It should look like this. Now we're done with Merida's body. Now the tail. You can choose any color you want for the tail. I chose green. You're gonna fold one side, leaving about a third uncovered. Fold the left side over the right side so that they match. Fold the top corner down, unfold the paper, then slip the top corner inside. Fold the bottom tip upwards like so. Then we're gonna cut along the fold, this fold, to create two fins. You can fold the fin and angle it nicely so it should look like this. You can now slide the body into the tail. You have to fold the two corners of your tail back so that your mermaid body fits in place. Lastly is her hair. You can grab any piece of square paper you want. Then you're gonna outline the hair. You can draw any hairstyle that you prefer. You're gonna use pencil and scissors to cut out the outline. Now we're gonna make bangs so that we can slip the pointed part of the face. Once the hair is done, you can grab your markers and draw details like a belly button, earrings, necklace, seashells, scales on the fins, and just play with details and be creative as much as you like. You can use stickers, Once everything's done, you can tape the body parts together. And here is Teacher Ariel's version of Merida the Mermaid. And there you have it. Our 3 ocean buddies are now complete. You can be more playful with the designs, the details, the sizes. Just, be creative. Sources of these origami pieces will be on the description box. To parents, origami is great for it promotes creativity, fine motor skills, eye and hand coordination, focus and concentration, sequencing skills. It's encouraged that you do the activity with the kids also. Yay, we are done. And if there's anything you would like to see next from our channel, just let us know. Be sure to subscribe and thank you for watching. Bye!